I have been putting the Mindga Magician X through its paces lately, and I've been printing quite a few things, obviously for pure entertainment and amusement. Today for you I have some, a cube that you can assemble. It's an interesting one. I have chosen 3 colors, so you can see the final result is quite cool. And there's also the base for it, stand, whatever, with a lovely seam at the back. So, let's put it together, shall we? I'm gonna start with the green one. It took me some time to figure it out, how to do it myself, although there was some instructions online. I kind of decided to ditch those for the best possible effect. So, yeah, there is that. So, here's how you assemble this beauty. It's kind of... you need to get it right. So, which way was it? I think this way. Let's see if it... here we go. It's a bit fiddly at first, but once you get used to it, some fluff, it actually gets the job done. So, you can hear, this is super satisfying. I know, so easy, right? There's nothing magical to it. But it's just so cool just to hold and to see these things interlock. Oh, that is so good. What should be done, there should be some sort of mechanism. Oh, so satisfying. So good. Should be some sort of mechanism that it opens up and closes again. Opens up and closes again. Maybe an Arduino project of sorts, but obviously this would need to be so much bigger. If you can't tell if my hands are small or not, here's a can of Coke, so you have some perspective right there, and the almighty stand. Where is the seam again? Here we go. So you can have it like this, as a little something for someone to play with, and it's really cool, I think, as a little exhibit at home or something for the curious ones. So yeah, that's it. That's all I wanted to show you, and have a good day. Cheers for watching.